Hello creative people, welcome back to my channel Live Your Dream. Today I'm going to talk about Shisha or mirror work trend in hand embroidery. Mirror work known as BHARAT is an embroidery form where small Shisha or mirrors are used in hand embroidery. Shisha embroidery was tracked back in 17th century. It was brought to India during the Mughal rule. One of the Mughal queens is said to have encouraged this art. Traditional Islamic belief is that the mirrors help to trap or blind the evil eye, reflecting bad luck and evil spirits away from the wearer. It originally started with the embellishment of fabrics through reflective metal pieces such as mica, tin or silver coins. With passing time, mica was replaced with glass mirrors. Religious significance in Hinduism and Jainism were Shisha Toran. It is a structural gateway affixed to the front door in order to ward off evil spirits. Torans are made of cotton fabrics embellished with metal coins and mirror embroidery. Initially, mirror work was practiced only in Gujarat and Rajasthan. The KATHI community of Gujarat was known for mirror work. Traditionally, they used mirrors as the center of floral motifs or the eyes of an animal motif. Now, they are used for embellishing chania choli, bags, saris, dresses, and other items. Since earlier times, each community in Rajasthan produces its own unique style of mirror work. But it is women of Jat community residing in Shikar captivated animal figures and tree forms. Now it is used for embellishing lehengas, dupattas, bags, clutches, etc. Mirror work today is seen as an artwork along with APPLIQUE handicraft techniques in Odisha as APPLIQUE art. Machine-made glass with silver coating on the back are cut into desired shapes and sizes and are readily available for fabric ornamentation. Mirrors are available in various shapes like round, square, diamond, rectangle, oval, teardrop, triangle, and more. The round shape was mainly used for the embellishment. Sometimes mica or hand-blown glass are used as substitutes. Mirrors can sometimes be very heavy to use, so a lighter version of these came into the trend, and those were foil mirrors. They come in the form of sticker sheets and can be placed anywhere on the design. They are easy to use and more economical. The limitation of both the types is that it takes a lot of time to stitch and enclose each mirror in place while doing hand embroidery. So, a new type of mirror was cut from the acrylic sheets. Acrylic sheets are as reflective as traditional mirrors and have some advantages. They are strong and don't break easily. They have holes for sewing just as in sequins. They are available in unique shapes like star and flowers, which are not easily available in glass. Each type of mirror has its own significance and it depends on our design requirements. Please stay tuned for other embellishments used in hand embroidery. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for much more. If you like this video, please do consider to like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below to get the notification on our next updates. Leave your comments on the comment section. Do follow us on Instagram.